Boil 6 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that'll be enough for 3 people. So the eggs are boiled and I put them straight into a bowl of ice. Easy to peel that way. Just cut them in half and then we can fry them. Right, we need 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil so that we can fry the eggs. Slowly slide the eggs in. So we just wait for them to get brown and turn them over. Take them out now. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. And once they're brown, add in onion, garlic and ginger. The onions are nice and brown now, so we're going to add in tomatoes. These are 2 tomatoes chopped. Adding some salt. And then just allow this to fry in the oil together. Now turn the gas off so we can put in the spices. So we're putting half a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, a little bit of coriander, which is half a teaspoon. Put the gas back on and then just stir it in. We'll be putting some garam masala in, but not till we've finished boiling the dish. Add in half a cup of tomato sauce, which is masala. Gives it a little thickness. And we're going to pour in some water. This is half a pint of water. Just stir it together. And now we're going to add in the egg. Put it on a low heat and allow it to simmer for at least 10 minutes. I like mine a little spicy, so I'm going to add in a green chili. Sliced it up and just mix it in. I'm just going to turn all the eggs over, make sure all the sauce has gone into the egg. And put the lid back on. We're going to put half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix that in. Now going to add in the coriander. So now we'll just try this. It's quite spicy actually. I think it's the extra chili I put in. But it's lovely, you can eat it with rice or any of the Indian breads. Thank you for watching, and please like and share the video. See you on my next one. Thank you, bye.